Hi Tubas! On today's video, we're doing Accent Book 2, page number 12. On page number 12, in the upper left-hand corner, we've got our note B. That's B natural. First, second, and third valves. It's not our B flat, not the common note that we know. This one is a little bit more uncommon, but a note nonetheless. B natural, 1, 2, and 3. Also, afterbeats. Afterbeats are notes that happen after the beats, often on the and or the upbeat. We'll use them below in one of our pieces. Key signature. When there are no sharps or flats in the key signature, we're in the key of C major. Transposing. Transposing is when you rewrite a melody starting on a different starting pitch, and you follow the same pattern of whole steps and half steps. We'll get practice doing that at the end of the page. Our first exercise today is minor episode. It's in a minor key. B flats, E flats, and A flats are our notes to remember. And we're going to use our low B natural, 1, 2, and 3. The first one is already marked for you. See if you can find any more. This piece is in 4/4 time. I've got my metronome set at 70 beats per minute, a nice andante moderato speed. Let's give this a try. 1, 2 E and a 3, 4. 1, 2 E and a ready, go. Let's try it one more time. How many B naturals did you play? There were 3. 1, 2, play it again. Here we go. Now we'll move on to a traditional song called America, or God Save the Queen. This piece is in 3/4 time and doesn't have any sharps or flats. So B will be 1, 2, and 3. E and A will be second valve. 1, 2, 3, ready, set, go. Remember that a song that's written in a key that has no sharps or flats is in the key of C. The Old Brass Wagon is our next duet. It's number 36, and it's an American folk song. It uses afterbeats in part B. We'll get to that in a second. If you want, you can join me right now for part A, or try part B for an instant duet. 1, 2, ready, and then go. And here's part B. It starts on a low A natural. 1, 2, ready, and then go. That part had multiple sections of afterbeats. Check out measure 2, measure 4, and measure 6. Those notes come after the beat. Our last playing example is number 37 from A Midsummer Night's Dream by Felix Mendelssohn. This piece is in cut time. If you recall back a few pages when we introduced cut time, we talked about it in the terms that it reduces all of the values of all of the notes. Whole notes get 2, half notes get 1, quarter notes get half, and eighth notes get a fourth. Here's a tip. Eighth notes, play them so that they sound like 16th notes, Mississippi. Quarter notes, play them like they sound like eighth notes, TT. Half notes, play them so they sound like quarter notes. And whole notes, make those sound like half notes. Do you see my point? Great. Let's give this one a try. Number 37. 1 E and a 2 and 1 and 2, 1 and 2 and 1 E and a 2 and 1, 2, ready, go. Let's do that one more time. It's quick. 1, 2, ready, That one's sure fun to play. You really need to move your fingers fast. Number 38 is an accent on theory. Check this out. It says, transpose the first 6 measures of number 35 above, America, God Save the Queen, into these 2 keys, then play. What they're asking you to do is take the first part of number 35 from up above on the page and put it in 2 different keys, transpose. So up in number 35, we started on the note C. Well, now, in line 1 of number 38, they want you to try starting on the note E flat. Write those notes on that line. Then see if you can start on the note F. Write those notes down with a pencil and see if you can play them. So, using the half steps and whole steps method, see if you can finish number 38 with your pencil. Until I see you next time, keep practicing.